Hi everybody, you're welcome to this part of the video. In this very video, I want to show you how I make 1,000 subscribers within 2 weeks. Yes, you can hear me right. How I make my 1,000 subscribers within 2 weeks. As you can see on your screen, let me show you so that you can see that what I'm telling you is true. Can you see this over 1,000 subscribers? And that is within 2 weeks. That's when I made this huge amounts of subscribers. One thing about YouTube is that when you are able to manage and have 1,000 subscribers, YouTube would automatically recommend your videos because they know that you have put in the works, you have put in every effort to make sure you have your 1,000 subscribers. And if you are able to do that, YouTube will also help you. Yes, you have tried your best, then they will take it upon themselves to help you and recommend your videos. Then you'll get more subscribers and more watch hours. But this one, we are not exaggerating. I'm telling you the facts, what I did. That's what I'll tell you in this very video. So stick to the end, to stick to this video, and like watch to the end of this video so that you'll be able to apply what I do. You'll be able to apply it and you get the same results as I get my own results. I know that you are interested in this. So I'm using this medium to welcome you to this channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This is Tech with Emmanuel. You can do well to like and share and subscribe, most importantly, because if you subscribe, you are telling us that you are interested in all the tips that we are sharing in this group. So for this video, I'll just show you how I get my 1,000 followers. So I'll be dropping another video where I'll be showing you step by step on how to make your 4,000 watch hour. I will show you directly how you will make your 4,000 watch hour, because these are the recommendations and these are the requirements for monetization. If you want to partner with YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscriber and you must have minimum of 4,000 watch hour. So I'll hold you step by step and show you how you can monetize your your channel within 1 month. Yes, you can hear me right, within 1 month. But one thing is that you must be consistent. Consistency is the key. So you must be consistent. This thing is very simple, it's not hard at all if you can follow the step by step on what I will teach you. Some videos get me 260 followers, some get me 100 followers, some get me 24, some get me 56, and a lot more like that. So that's how I'm able to accumulate all these followers. So now let me share with you the tips that I did. So there's account on this. There's a channel that YouTube is recommending in this YouTube. That channel, I don't know, YouTube just like the YouTube algorithm love the channel. So if you post something related to what those channel post, you will as well be loved by YouTube algorithm. Then from there you'll be able to grow your 1,000 subscribers. So for the purpose of this video, let me show you directly what I did. Let me show you from my videos. Take a look at this shot.
If I say something about you, you're out. Let's go with the first challenge. You're
So now,
eliminated if your favorite color is orange. If I say something about you, if your favorite color is orange. If it's not.
So now let me pause and let me check the analytics of this video so that you see how much the number of subscribers that this very video gets me. So can you see this very video got me 42 subscribers? That's amazing. Just a video, 42 subscribers. You know the amount of stress that you go through before you can get 42 subscribers if you are creating your normal content. So look at this one. The audience are from the top locations are United States 15%, Kenya and India. Can you see they are real and organic followers? So let me show you another video.
If your favorite.
Let me show you another videos. Let me show you another video. So okay, I started with this very video. I started with this one. You see, this is one I started with.
If I say something about you,
This one got me 42.
if I
Let's check another one, the following one. Okay, let's check this one.
If your mom's name starts with any letter from A to Z.
This one got me 40 subscribers, like as you can see.
If your mom's name.
So let me just check random. This one got 9.8k views. So
Put a finger down.
This one got me 94 subscribers. I think this is amazing. And if you take a look at them, they are real organic followers. You see, South Africa, India, and the United States. So
Put a finger down.
let's check another one. Let's check this one.
Put a finger down.
This one got 49 subscribers.
Put a finger.
If I say your brother or sister's name.
This one got 88 subscribers, 363 likes.
If I say your brother.
Let me check another one. This one has 15k view 3 days ago. Can you see 964 likes and 90 comments? So let's check.
If your mom's name starts with any letter.
This very video got me 268 subscribers just 3 days ago. Can you see? This is very amazing. And these videos they are challenge videos. They are just shorts. They are challenge shorts. So if you listen to the complete content, you discover that the young lady's voice is encouraging the viewers to subscribe. So let me just play one so that you can hear the full information about the video. So what you are going to do is you have to emulate what this channel is doing, and you can decide not to create your own videos. You can just decide to collab. We call it collab, like collaboration. You will just collab with the channel, and from there your viewers will be able to follow you, and from there within 2 weeks you'll be able to get your 1,000 followers. As I have did it, I have practicalized it, and it gave me results. This channel, I just want to start posting on it. I have my main channel that I'm using, but this one I just decided to try it if it will work, and I can tell you that it works 100%. Are we getting it? It works 100%. So now let me go back.
If your mom's name.
And tell you something. I posted 22 videos before I could get this result. 22 videos. Can you see them? I posted 22 short videos before I could get this result. So you have to be consistent, and you don't have to be lazy. I'm telling you what you do to get the results that I got. You have to be consistent in doing it. So as you can see, this one gave me 8.9.
This little man and his team were getting ready with.
So this is what I did. I want to show you how I did it now. So what you do is that go and search for prosperity.x. Have you seen? I've searched it recently. Then search for prosperity.x. Then I'll click on it. Now can you see? This is the channel we are talking about. YouTube love this channel. That's why they are sharing their content to wide audience, and from there you get more followers. So now click on view channel. Now can you see this is the person's videos. The person just have 5 shots. Can you see? This one got 71 views. This one got 1.2 million views. This one got 3.4 million views. Wow, this is amazing. This one got 1.7 million views, and this one got 5.8 million views. Wow, this is amazing. Can you see? And the channel has 161k subscribers. That's 161,000 subscribers with just 5 videos. This is amazing. Yes, look at it. It's prosperity.x. That's the channel. So now go and search for the channel and look at this one with the highest viewers. Click on it.
If I say something about you, you're out. Let's go with the first challenge.
So once you click on it, now look at this icon. This one that looks like they recycle something. This one with plus. Click on it. So if you click on it, you see collab. Click on that collab and wait for it to load.
If I say something about you, you're
once you click on collab, this is where it will take you to, and if you look at the top right here, you'll see 15 seconds, which means this video will just play for 15 seconds, and that's not the full video, that's not the full shot. So you have to click on that 15 seconds to expand it. So click on it. Can you see we now have 53 seconds? Now you have to drag it to the end from here. So drag it till it reaches that.
Write your name with your eyes closed.
So I have dragged it and it has gotten to 53 seconds. So we have the full video now. So click on next. We click on next. So I want to be fast so that this video will not be too long, but it's worth it. You just have to watch this and do exactly what I did to have my 1000 subscriber within 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. I know you love it. If you can do everything I did here, you have your 1000 subscriber. You can post 3, you can post 5.
If I say something about you, you're out.
So you can post 3, you can post 5 in a day. Then do this for 2 weeks and see if you get results. You will definitely get results. It is very easy. You are not wasting much time. You are just doing what we call duets. You collab with the channel or with the creator and you have your own video. So this is the personal video, this is your own video, and this is all what you and this all what you will do, and you will definitely get results. So make sure you do exactly what I show you in this video and you get your first 1000 subscriber. And after this subscriber, now you see YouTube will start recommending your channel. It should start moving pushing your videos. That's what I did, and I'm able to get my 1000 subscriber. So don't forget, the next video that I'll be dropping, it should be about you getting your 4000 watch hour, because these are the requirements for you to partner with you, or if you want to partner with YouTube. So now click next and let us proceed. So once you click next now, so you see this pencil icon, you have to click it, because we want to check the face that will capture people to watch. So just click on it. So if you see anywhere that has color or something like that, that people will be like, what is here, that's where you select. So okay, let's just use this place. I think this place is okay, or you can decide to use this place where I open mouth. Okay, let's use this place. So now just click the mark, click it, and that's all. So leave the rest of them like this. Make sure your audience is not for kid. That's the only thing that you'll be checking. So now you can now go to the caption, just write something that will make people to click on it. Just say, you cannot do this, you cannot do this. So people will be like, what is that, what can't I do? They will question themselves and try to, okay, let me open it and see what they said I cannot do. So include hashtag, let's just say shorts, yes, put another one, challenge 40 million, put duet, and that's all. You don't have to push to write something much like that. So this is okay now. So the next thing that we'll be doing right now is just to click on upload shorts. So if you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be sharing you all you need to monetize your channel and how you can grow on YouTube. I will show you directly what I have tried, what actually worked for me. That's what I will show you, and I'm sure anything that works for me will definitely work for you as well, because I will not bring any information for you here if it does not work for me. So upload it to your channel. This video has successfully uploaded, so I will wait, just have to wait for few minutes, like 30 minutes before this video starts responding, because YouTube will have to wait and try to get people that love challenges like this, then it will start pushing it to them. So we have to wait for few minutes, then this video will start speaking. If you can see most of my videos, this one has 3.4k views, and this just, I think I posted this yesterday. Let me check.
If I say your brother or sister's name,
Can you see 19 hours ago, and it's fetched me 88 subscribers. So that's how
if I say your brother or
it works. Can you see this one? Let me check.
Put a finger down.
This one got me 50 subscribers.
Put a finger down if you have.
See, United States, Nigeria, India.
Put a finger down if you have.
This one.
Put a finger down if you are in bed.
This one got me 95 subscribers. Can you see? These are amazing. They are very good. So just try it and drop comments on me if you have any question. And if you try it and it is not working, there's no how you even try it that it will not work. But in case if you have any question, do well to drop them in the comments section. Appreciate this video by subscribing for more informations, and also don't forget, I'll be dropping another video on how to grow your 4000 watch hours, so you can decide to be growing your followers, building followers, and also be building your 4000 subscribers. So share this video, like it, and subscribe most importantly. See you in the next video.